Hey, how's it going, guys? Just wanted to give you guys an update on the project. We're almost done with this property. Really excited about the progress that has been going on. As you all saw, the countertops were already installed last week. So that is looking great. The floor, as far as this area, is all done. Just about. There's some places that need a little bit more grout, but for the most part, it's done. There's a little bit of an adjustment that I'll make on the countertop. It's a little more so on that side, but I'll have the guy come back out and just shift it a little bit. The half bath is almost done. We have the toilet and baseboards at least nailed. Next, we'll do the caulking and everything and add the faucet. But everything is looking good in here. We're basically done with that. And as you can see, all the way around. Something I think is interesting is how this is like the end style baseboard now, like the more flat baseboard compared to the curved ones that you guys are probably used to seeing growing up. So that's interesting. So we went ahead and just kept it modern because if that's what the people like, then that's what we're going to do. Of course, you guys already saw the light fixture. Next week, we're going to be installing the carpet, and I'll take you upstairs in a little bit, but coming into the master bed, everything is looking great in here as well. All right, now coming into the master bath. Ooh, I know, right? So the floors are looking really nice. All right. This, of course, is going to be all cleaned up, and this is just some stuff to help it stick to the wall. But man, this is looking really great. We got this silver edge right here just to make it nice and crisp. Instead of just having, the edges show. So it's a nice little touch that we added to everything. And coming to the shower, man, this thing is looking absolutely beautiful. So really happy with how things are going. Of course, the toilet is installed. All right, and now we will work our way upstairs. All right, so the laundry room also have the same tile up here, so it's looking really nice. Going into these bedrooms. Again, next week is when we're going to be putting the carpet, towel on the floor. I'm going to do something about these countertops. I'm going to figure this one out. I wanted to have somebody come and refinish it and make it look nice, but this is loaded. We'll see what happens. All right, and in here, everything is looking really nice. So, no, we're not going to keep these tan walls, okay? It's going to be painted bright white like everything else, but with time. We're almost done, all right? Carpet in this bedroom is on the way, so that's looking really nice. Coming along to this game room area, nice and bright. You guys have already seen this several times, all right? Coming into this bedroom, looking sharp, a lot of progress being made. I love what I'm seeing. And all of the the mirrors are going to have frames around them, right? They're going to have like those wood frames, so that's going to be really nice. All right, and this bathroom, same deal. Went ahead and got these edges along here, so that's really nice. I really like that. And yeah, so things are looking really great, man. We're almost done. We're almost done. All right, and that's what I got for you guys right now. I know I said I'm still within a couple week mark of what I said before, so relax. But it's coming along very nicely. And if you guys have any questions about the flipping process, I'll go ahead and let me know. Other than that, I will see you on the next video. See y'all later.